Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a video for you who want to have pretty nails, and here is how. You're totally on the right track, so it doesn't matter if your nails are long or short. All these tips that I included in this video you can apply on yourself, but first you have to make a conscious decision that you want to have pretty nails and just grow your nails and take care of them. So that's the first step, obviously, and then we can proceed on to other things that you can do for your nails, and one of them is most important thing, which is applying nail oil. You can use olive oil or coconut oil or jojoba oil, however you want to call it, but you have to apply it on your nails throughout the day a few times. And also filing your nails is so important. You can shape your nails different like styles. My personal preference is square nails, and I have a video on my channel on how to file your nails square, and I will have that linked in the description box below. Also, pushing back your cuticles is extremely important, so I would suggest doing that. Don't cut your cuticles, just push them back. Okay, now applying base coat. My advice would be to apply it because it actually makes your nail polish stay on longer and protects your natural nail from staining. When it comes to applying nail polish like a pro, you want to basically clean off one side of your nail polish brush, and on the other side you want to have a little like bloop, just so you can see it in the video. You want to make like a little dot and then push it back up to your nail and then go like down. And as well, you want to be careful, don't go too much into your cuticle because you can actually flood your cuticle with nail polish, which is something that many people do. It's not big deal, but it's better to stay away from the cuticles. Okay, so here we go again. Make a little dot like you can see, and then go up to your nail and down. And if you did everything that I show you, this will give you control and allow you to apply your nail polish as professional as possible. And obviously practice makes it perfect, so keep that in mind. And also obviously always apply a second coat because it's a must in my opinion. I don't like having one coat. Also, you want to wrap the nail tip with all nail polish coats that you apply, so keep that in mind because that's very important. And if you do mess up, you can always dip your little brush into some acetone and you can remove any mistakes you made. And that's something that I always do, no matter if I make mistakes or not. I like to go on the top of my nail from the cuticle and just clean it up a little bit. It just gives you that professional look. It makes everything more clean and neat, and I love that look. At the end, obviously, comes top coat, which is my favorite part. It's a must. I use fast dry top coat or glossy top coat, which I absolutely adore. I have to have top coat, and I actually reapply my top coat throughout the days, like for how many days I wear my nail polish. Like every other day I would reapply a top coat, and this is the biggest tip I can give you. I will make sure that I do full on detailed video on that one, so if you're interested, give this video a thumbs up. I also get people asking me, can they apply nail oil when they have nail polish on? And the answer is absolutely yes. You have to apply your nail oil throughout the day whenever you have nail polish on as well, because it just makes sense. It will hydrate skin around your nails and also will help your nails. You can just check out my channel. I have playlists of like helpful tips and tricks and nail care and everything, so check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and also leave me a comment because I love reading your feedback. I like chatting with you. I like talking. I just really am happy that our YouTube family is growing. If you never wrote me a comment before, now is the right time. And if you're a new viewer of mine, hi, I am Mima from I'm Girl You Don't Know. This is my channel that you're watching, and please subscribe if you're new, and never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye guys.